Simple compound complex sentences. Simple sentence. A simple sentence is one which has only one subject and one predicate. We can say one simple sentence has only one finite verb. It is used to depict universal truth, facts and descriptions. For example, we can say he cried early. His courage won him humor. He must work hard. Let me see the examples one by one. First sentence, his courage won him honor. His courage, one is the verb, him object and honor is the object only. Here we can say its sentence has only one subject as his courage and the remaining thing as the predicate. So, as per the definition, a simple sentence is one which has only one subject and one predicate. If we see the second example, he must work hard to win the first prize. Here, he is the subject and must work hard to win the first prize is nothing but the predicate. Third sentence, with a great effort, he lifted the box. With a great effort, he is the subject and the remaining thing as lifted the box as predicate. Fourth sentence, hearing their father's footsteps, the boys ran away. Here, hearing their father's footsteps is like a predicate there. The boys subject and away is nothing but the predicate only. The next sentence, the man being very hungry ate too much food. The man is the subject and the remaining being very hungry ate too much food is predicate here. Let me see the second sentences as compound sentence. Let me identify the sentence. A compound sentence is one made up of two or more principal or main clauses. We know about the principal that main clauses there. Let me see by examples. The moon was bright and we could see our way. The moon was bright and it's a conjunction. We could see our way. I shall do it now or I shall not do it at all. Here it's I shall do it, main clause there. Or is the conjunction shall not do it at all. I both thanked him and rewarded him. I both thanked him as a sentence. The conjunction is and rewarded him. Give me the book and I will read it. Give me the book and I will read it here. Let me see about the complex sentences. The complex sentence consists of one main clause and one or more subordinate clauses. Here you can see by examples here. They rested when evening came. They rested when evening came. Here we can split this sentence as they rested when evening came. They rested. It gives some meanings there. So we can say this is the main clause here. If he is at home, I shall see him. If he is at home, I shall see him. I have found the book that I had lost. So here, I have found the book. That is the main clause here. That I had lost. So you want to identify the sentences of the first one. Man proposes but God disposes. Here we want to identify whether it is compound or complex. Let me see the sentence once again. Man proposes but God disposes. Here it is a compound sentence because here we have man proposes and but is the conjunction there and God disposes is the next one. So and then second sentence, I went because I was invited. Here it has the two main clauses there, that is I went and I was invited. Both gives the meaning here, and in between we have the conjunction as because. So I went because was invited is the complex sentence. Third one, Jency returned home because she was tired. Here we have Jency returned home. She was tired as two main clauses there. It has the meaning, some finite meaning there. In between we have because as the conjunction. So we can say this sentence as complex. Fourth one, whatever you do, do well. Whatever you do. It gives some meanings and it has the finite verb, and do well. It is also a main clause there. So it gives some other meaning there. Do well. So two different main clauses we have there. So I can say this sentence as complex sentence. Fifth one, listen carefully and take notes. Listen carefully and take notes. Here we have in between the compound sentence, that conjunction word and listen carefully, it gives some meanings, and take notes, this is also gives some meanings there. It's a finite meaning thing there. So we can say this as a complex sentence. I called him but he gave me no answer. I called him but he gave me no answer. So this is called the compound sentence. The town in which I live is very large. The town in which I live. Till this it has the main thing, but it didn't give the separate meaning there. Is the verb, is very large is the predicate there. So this is called, the seventh one is complex sentence. They always talk who never think. They always talk who never think. This is also the compound sentence. We must eat to live, but we should not live to eat. Here two different sentences are here. In between we have and as the conjunction here. So we can say this as the complex sentence. Govern your passions or they will govern you. Here govern your passions is some command. They will govern you. In between we have some or. The conjunction word or there. So we can say this as the compound sentence.